Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. So we're making a wine glass today with a little bit of wine in it. So, or bubbly juice. So we're going to go ahead and delete the default cube. Let's go and change the render engine to cycles, and we'll add in a circle. Let's go ahead and scale this up. And what I'm going to do, let's go to edit mode. We'll go to F for fill, E for extrude, scale it outwards just slightly, E for extrude again, and then E for extrude again, and then we're going to go in and scale this inwards. E for extrude again, scale in, make it nice and thin. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and just press G and just flatten this down just ever so slightly. Let's go E for extrude, scale inwards just ever so slightly again, and then E for extrude, and we'll bring this up. Scale in again. I think that was too thick, so let's go E for extrude, just bring that up again. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this kind of funky wine glass. So let's go E for extrude, S for scale, bring it outwards, E for extrude, S for scale, bring it outwards, and then E for extrude, S for scale, bring it outwards. You're going to want to get the bulb of the wine glass just slightly off the edge. So let's go E for extrude again. We'll build this up as we're going. So E for extrude, outwards, and then E for extrude, and then we're going to slowly bring this in. As such, it's more of a kind of gin glass, but we'll go with the gin glass more than a wine glass. So E for extrude, S for scale, gin glass slash wine glass, depends on how you use it, I guess. So let's go to X-ray mode. We'll go E for extrude, bring this down. You want to go ahead and follow the contours of the glass right here. E for extrude, let's bring this down. Scale outwards, and then you want to make the glass a little bit thicker at the bottom. So let's go ahead. Make that a little bit thicker. And then once we've got this, we're going to go shade smooth. Let's put this to its side again and add a circle. Let's press G, bring this up, place this at the bottom right here, and S to scale down. And what we'll do, we'll go to edit mode, press F for fill, E for extrude, scale this outwards, and then E for extrude again. We'll scale this outwards, E for extrude, scale outwards, and you just want to continue going up the glass until you have your desired level, which generally is halfway, but for some of my friends they like to pour it all the way. We should get one of those glasses where they if they overpour it, if they overpour it, it goes out the bottom. I don't know what they're called. Maybe someone will know in the comments section. Is it like an Archimedes glass or something like that? Is that what it's called? So yeah, we now have the wine in the middle, shade smooth. We'll go ahead and make new. This will be the red wine. So we got the red right here. We'll go to red at the bottom. And we can see that we've got it in there. And then we'll have it slightly transparent, and then we'll take the glass here. I will make new, switch out principal BSDF for glass BSDF, and then turn the roughness all the way down. And when you've rendered, you should have something like this. Let's go ahead and add in a plane as well, S to scale. And I don't like the lighting, but we can go ahead and just turn it up a little bit, I guess. Oops. Let's go G, bring that up. And then let's lighten the exposure on this piece. I'm going to go ahead and just amend the glass just here. So you've got more of a see-through kind of glass. And that's just with the IOR. So there we go. Glass. And what I'm going to do, let's just interact with this wine a minute. We're going to take down the roughness. And I'm also going to take down the alpha just a little bit as well. And maybe make it a little bit more pink. So there we go. Let's move that down just ever so slightly as well. Yep, there we go. Little wine glass with some wine in it, or a little gin glass with some wine in it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.